Okay, this is WellWatch 670 demonstration. So the first thing we'll do is just wire up the system. So the WellWatch is a 4 to 20 milliamp sensor. Typically it's going to be installed on input 2. So much so that we show that we have a specific wiring diagram on the advanced monitor for that. You can see that its wiring is different than a standard 4 to 20 milliamp sensor, which has the power on the control circuit. This has 2 circuits, so it has 4 wires. It has a sensor power circuit, and it has a sensor sense circuit, which is denoted here, positive and negative of both. So what I've done here is I have an 8 cable wire. I'm using 4 of them, black and red for my sensor power, blue and yellow for my sense negative and positive. I need a screwdriver. Right? So in looking here, there's 2 wires that go into the 12 volt input on the sensor here. Our sense positive and our sensor power positive. Instead of them both going into this terminal block directly, I'm bringing them together, sense positive, sensor positive, sense positive, and then a jumper to the 12 volt. So that will be the first thing I wire up. And as can be seen, that's in the 12 volt. Additionally, we have our sensor power, which is our black, that goes into ground. Sorry. And then the last wire is our sense negative. So it's denoted by the blue purple on the wiring diagram. And for us, it's a yellow wire. So once I get this black wire in, something is going on. There we go. So our yellow wire is the same as sense in this example. All right, so you can see we have 3 wires now coming in. And now we'll connect that to the WellWatch. It's important to make sure that when you're connecting the sensor, you have the remote monitor off. So following the diagram, we bring our black and red wire, which is sensor power, to the 12 volt in and ground. So these 2 wires. I can hold it if you want, or can you come a little closer? Oh, yeah. So these, you can kind of bend these to be curved and they should slide right in. I'm gonna need more wire. So you have to make sure that there's enough wire stripped to reach the 4 opposite terminals. Again, we're not using some of these, so we'll just fold them back. We're using 4 of these wires. So these are already loosened. They both slide in, and then we can tighten it. So at this point, when we turn the advanced monitor on, the system should power up. We can check that.
Is there a light in there or something they're looking for? Or
Should
just...
hear it.
I don't know if they're recording.